What's going on, guys? And I'm going to be installing a new Bluetooth system in my car. This one has a microphone, and I know some people reached out and told me that they have an updated version, so I'm gonna show you guys how to install it once again, but the process is similar. If you want to see the original video, it is on my channel, check it out, but I'm gonna show you guys again how to install it. So what we're gonna need, you're gonna need some crimps, obviously the Bluetooth device, and you're gonna need these quick splice and T-tap wire connectors. The ones that you're gonna be using, you're going to be using these, the red ones here. These are going to go on the Bluetooth device, and then these blue ones are going to go on the actual radio, the power and the negative on the radio, and I will show you guys that in 1 second. So honestly, guys, just to get it started, we're going to go ahead and you're actually going to take this connector here, and we're actually going to go ahead and put this inside here, and you're going to crimp it down. And right there, you see I'm pulling on it. It's not going anywhere. So you're just going to crimp it down right here. And you see that? It's not, no issues. It's not coming out. So you're also going to do that with the negative side also. All right, so next, what we're gonna wanna do, so put the car in the on position, and then you're gonna shift the car to drive. Make sure when you put it in drive that your wheels are chalked and the parking brake is active. Once you do that, you're gonna pry up on this here. Pry up on that, and you kind of just move it out of the way here as best as you can. Now that's out of the way, there's these tabs here that you are going to pry up. As you guys see here, there's these tabs here. Very simple to get out. See how it pries up? And then it's the same on this side too. And you see how that's out? Now it's loose, and then you're just gonna pull it out. Probably gotta push this back in and then pull it out. So as you guys see, make sure that this is closed when you guys pry it out, and you just leave this to the side. You don't need to disconnect anything there. Just to be proactive here, we want to go ahead and open this. So we're gonna press this open here, get the cup holder, and then we're gonna pry and use our pry tool here and get this undone. You can also use your pry tool back here. I just use my finger, and you see how now it's loose, so then you can take your pry tool here and finish the job here. So once you pry this out, you're just gonna disconnect these 3 wires here. So you're just gonna go ahead and just start disconnecting them. And they're very easy. They're just 3 little clips right here, 1, 2, 3. And then you're just gonna set this to the side. There's T20 Torx bits right here, here. And then once you remove this, there's gonna be 2 behind here. But there's T20s under here, as you guys can see. 1, 2. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory. Just take a T20 head and then just start removing them. Once you're gonna do all the screws, you just pull out the radio here. And as you guys see, it looks like a mess, but it's really not. So right here is my old Bluetooth device right here. And this is the original connector for the Mercedes radio that we don't use anymore. So this is the original connector here. Or this is the Bluetooth connector, my old one, and it's in the port right here. And as you guys see, I got the positive on the blue and red wire here, and then I have the ground on this brown wire here. And like as you see, I used the blue already before to crimp onto this wire here, and then it clicks in. So as you guys can see here, watch how easy it is. It's that easy to remove. So that's why this is just easy to do. And then we disconnect the ground one here. So now that's disconnected, and then we remove it from the port here. Just like that. So this is the old one, and here's my new one with the ability to talk on the phone. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it. So this just clicks in like that. not going anywhere. And then now we're actually just gonna do the same thing. And then all you're gonna do is just connect the wires back. So like I said, the black goes to the brown, and then the red goes to the red and blue line. And then since we're here, we might as well connect our microphone, and then we're gonna test it out. I think my mom is here, so we're gonna test it out and see if she is able to hear me. And just to confirm that the power is working, as you guys see, it is lighting up, so it has power. And actually, even though the radio isn't on, or the car isn't on, we should be able to power it or connect to it. This is what we want here. This is what you're looking for, and this is what you're going to connect to. So now my phone's connected. You guys can see I got a whole list here, but you want to make sure that your volume is up all the way on your phone here. And then we're actually going to test it out here. So we have it already on the AUX. You want to make sure when you go to, and it's going to be hard to see because of the sun, guys, but you're going to go to audio, and then you're going to go to the AUX, and then it's already in aux mode. And then just to test it out here, I'm going to play one of my videos here. One of the other reasons why I feel that older Mercedes are better than newer ones is that less tech, more fear. So yep, that works. And then now let's make a phone call.
Hello?
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Do you hear me fine?
Can I what?
Do you hear me clear?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. Well, just like that, she could hear me, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, button this up, try and tuck this away somewhere where they can still hear me. I'm gonna find out where I want, but it's kind of like your preference on where you want to put the microphone at. But other than that, guys, I'm not gonna show you guys how to put this back together because it's the same process. So this was kind of my video on how to install the Bluetooth radio with the microphone for phone calls on your CLK and any Mercedes with the navigation radio. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.